Good evening, everybody. In this occasion, I want to congratulate my friend, the poet Chow Choi, for his great achievement in Beijing International Book Fair, and I wish him very successful event. Second, I want also to congratulate him for the great successful which was being held here in Dubai last month in the International Silk Road Festival for Poetry and Art, which was really a great experience to break bridges between the Arab world and China. This is a good chance for us to find peace and beauty and poetry through our languages and through our poetry. Third thing, I want to talk about his work with me in so many different files, especially in the book which named Mansira, or the great epic poet from all over the world. This book is the first book in the history of the poetry that so many poets from all over the world write in it and make one poem, a great epic poem for the human of today. This is for 86 poets from all over the world write this book. I write the beginning and Mr. Chow, he write the end of this book. And I wish that when you publish it in China, it will be a great achievement also. So all over the world, people can know that we can work as a poet together to bring the beauty and the peace for everyone. Thank you again and good luck. Thank you.